ECG machines are common instruments used to quickly check for heart problems and monitor heart health. There are various ECG machines on the market. So what advantage does Dawei's ECG machine have? Usually, Dawei's ECG machine D12 is equipped with a 10.2-inch LCD display, which is capable of displaying 12 lead waveforms on the same screen. With both keyboard touch control, it can be operated by touchscreen simple and smart. From the viewpoint of endurance, D12 can achieve 6 hours long standby time during the measurement process. Considering the manual input of patient information is a big workload, D12 is available to an external scanning gun, which can automatically extract patient information. To ensure the ability to capture ECG waveform, D12 has a freeze function with a freeze playback time of up to 415 seconds. Which can miss the monitoring of abnormal ECG waveforms for a longer period of time. The built-in pre-acquisition function and the report preview function enable doctors to issue reports while getting data, improving the acquisition efficiency. By analyzing HRP, RQRS, and other specific data, it can automatically calculate and obtain diagnostic information of patients. At the same time, D12 has powerful data storage and sharing functions. It can realize 1,000 copies of data storage and 8 file formats to meet the multiple needs of transmission and storage. Equipped with FTP and HTTP transmission protocols, it can be connected to most hospital ECG networks and HIS systems to achieve data sharing.
Dawei's ECG not only has powerful performance configuration, but also has guaranteed after-sales service. November is in the Dawei sales season over the biggest discount of the year. Come to inquire.